when it comes to concepts which have real potential to help you become a better player on Chromatic Harmonica, this being a slightly customized Pissardo Elite, I am very much a believer in something called technical exercises. And what is a technical exercise? Well, it's not a song. It doesn't have that form. It's strictly something you do and you practice it on your harp to get a higher degree of skill in some particular area. Well, let me go over a few of the ones I do every day that I think would be helpful to you. The first one is a technical exercise to develop breath control. And I'm going to draw with my finger and you'll pretend that the air is like a blackboard. But you start off with the lowest volume you can play and then gradually and under control take it up to the maximum on your instrument. Hold it a little bit and then come back down to the lowest, mirroring the exact shape of the other side. So it's a move of volume under minute control. And this is kind of what it sounds like. The bell curve helps your diaphragm to wake up and to start being under control. A lot of times, here's how a beginner would do it when they're first trying. A typical beginner. Okay, so that would be one. And you'll notice that I had no control at all of the low volume early on. That's typical for beginners too. Okay, so what would be another one? Another would be to control bends. And I call these bends to a new note value. No. It's pretty hard to do that. I mean, you know, it's pretty easy to just a little dip. That's fairly easy. But to take it down to a new half tone lower and hold it, that takes time and practice. You can do it on blows too. That was a draw. On blows and draws on a chromatic harmonica. That's again another great exercise for your diaphragm. In terms of things I oftentimes do, I'll do like a C hunt, you know, C's in the center here, and just to catch the C's. So, and of course, how do you do that? Well, you know, in the center there's C's, here there's C's, there's a C here, and there's a C up here. So it's done by spatial awareness, kind of where the harp is. You can see it out of your eye, the corner of your eye. And if you haven't ever done that, that's another technical exercise. That's just a few of them. I probably got 50 that I work on intermittently. But the idea is that for you to improve as a player, you need a greater skill set of technique. And in order to get a greater skill set of technique, you have to practice technical exercises. Playing music kind of helps, but it's not the same as a technical exercise. People who play oboe in an orchestra, people that are professional musicians, people that are serious about this field, they do a lot of technical exercises and get a lot of great benefit from doing it too. So give it a shot every day, 5-7 minutes, make some up, see how it goes.